guys, the Hawaiian Tropical here, and wait, what? The Hawaiian Tropical here, and today I'm gonna be doing a something called the sneezing challenge, where you like dip your hands in some water and go up to a person that chew and just throw the water on. So yeah, I'm gonna do that on my sister, and she has a YouTube channel. If y'all wanna go check it out, it's America de Hoyas, and two. Man, could have gone better. That was my little sister, and that was a mistake, or not a mistake, but you know what I mean. Anyways, I guess that'll be all for today. Like, I got no more sisters that I can prank or do anything with. I only got two sisters. I actually got three, but my other one moved back to Abilene for 2 weeks, and yeah, I guess I'll see y'all guys later. Please like and comment and subscribe if you want to, and yeah, subscribe today to be a part of my Hawaiian Tropical family, and until then, see y'all later. QHF5, get ready, here it comes.